Hi everyone, today we're doing BJU Press Pre-Algebra, Chapter 3 Review. It's on page 161 in the book. We're going to do the first half today, so it'll be numbers 1 through 26. State the property of equality illustrated by the first step in the solution of each equation. So number 1, we had x plus 8 equals 12, and then we notice that they are subtracting 8 from both sides. So the subtraction property of equality is what's being shown here. Subtraction property of equality. Number 2, in the book it says y minus 15 equals 32. Then we notice that they're adding 15 on both sides of the equation. That means they're showing the addition property of equality. Number 3. Originally, it's a divided by 2 equals 7. Then we notice that they're multiplying both of the sides of the equation by 2. That means you're showing the multiplication property of equality. And in number 4, the original problem is 8m equals 56. Then we see they're dividing both sides of the equation by 8. That means they're doing the division property of equality. Number 5, state the inverse operation, including the quantity that would be used to solve each equation. In number 5, we have x plus 9 equals 15. So we would subtract 9 from both sides. So that's the inverse operation, subtract. The quantity is 9. Number 6, a minus 6 equals 14. I'm going to actually back up and I'm going to write the original problem here just in case somebody needs this. So we would minus 9 on both sides, which is the subtraction, subtract 9. Okay, number 6. So a minus 6 equals 14. In order to solve this, we would add 6 on both sides, which means my actual answer is add 6. Number 7, 12 plus m equals negative 21. Here we would minus 12 on both sides, so our answer is subtract 12. Number 8, 5x equals 15. We would divide both sides by 5, which means divide by 5 is our answer. Number 9, x divided by 2 equals negative 8. In this case, we would multiply by 2 on both sides. Number 10, negative 7x equals 28. And here we would divide both sides by negative 7. Number 11, solve each equation. X minus 5 equals 82. Okay, here's our equal sign. Our variable is x. It's got a minus 5 with it. That means we do the inverse, which is add 5. If you do it to the left, you do it to the right. That leaves us with x equals 87. Number 12, a plus 9 equals negative 16. Here's my equal sign. My variable is a. It's got a plus 9 with it. So we need to do the inverse, which is minus 9. A equals negative 25. Number 13, n divided by 6 equals 18. We would multiply both sides by 6. That leaves us with n equals 108. Number 14, negative 14p equals negative 322. We would divide both sides by negative 14. P equals 23. Number 15. 3m plus 6 equals 18. All right, here's my equal sign. Find my m. It's being multiplied by 3, and then we would add 6. Let's do the last thing first, which would be minus 6. 3m equals 12. Now we need to do the inverse of multiplying by 3, which is divide by 3. Make sure you do it to both sides. M equals 4. Number 16. 6n minus 9 equals negative 27. Okay, we're going to add 9 on both sides. 6n. When you're over here, remember you're really subtracting because we've got different signs. So we're going to find the difference, which is 18. Keep it minus because the 27 was a negative 27. Divide both sides by 6. N equals negative 3. Number 17. T divided by 3 minus 1 equals 6. Okay, what are the two things happening with the t? We're dividing it by 3 first, and then we would minus 1. That means we need to add 1 first to undo that. So we have t divided by 3 equals 7. All right, in order to do the inverse of dividing by 3, we need to multiply by 3. So t equals 21. Number 18. X divided by negative 5 plus 2 equals negative 4. So we would subtract 2 on both sides. That gets me x divided by negative 5 equals negative 6. We're going to multiply by negative 5 on both sides. That gives me x equals 30. Number 19. C minus 13, all divided by 8, equals negative 5. Okay, so in this problem, the first thing you would do with the C is subtract 13 from it. Then you would divide that answer by 8. That means the last thing being done is division by 8. So we'll undo that first by multiplying both sides by 8. Cancels out the 8s, leaving us with 6 minus 13 equals negative 40. And now we'll add 13 on both sides. So C equals negative 27. Number 20. 7 minus n divided by 4 equals 16. Okay, so the first thing we would do would be 7 minus n. The second thing we would do is divide that by 4. That means we need to undo division by 4 first because it's the last thing done. Okay, so to undo that, we multiply both sides by 4. Leaves us with 7 minus n equals, what is this, 64. All right, now here's my equal sign. Remember, the sign goes with the thing in front of it. So that means whatever's in front of the 7 is what you do. It's a plus. Even though it wasn't there, I know it's a plus. That means I have to minus both sides by 7. That leaves me with a negative n equals 57. All right, we can't have a negative n. It's technically a negative 1. So we divide both sides by negative 1. N equals negative 57. Number 21. 7x minus 8 plus 2x equals negative 71. Okay, we've got some like terms to clean up on the left side of the equal sign. Have to do that first. Our like terms are the x's. 7x plus 2x is 9x minus 8 equals negative 71. Now we're going to add 8 on both sides. 9x equals, these signs are different, so we're going to find the difference. That's going to be 63. We're going to keep it negative since the 71 was bigger. Divide both sides by 9, so x equals negative 7. Number 22. Y minus 7 plus 8y minus 16 equals negative 14. Okay, clean up these like terms again. So we've got y's, those are like. We've also got the constants, negative 7 and negative 16. Those are like. Let's do the y's first. Remember, there's one y there, so that means there's a 1 in front of it. So we have 9y. And then here we've got signs are the same, so we find the sum, and it stays negative. Okay, now we're going to add 23 on both sides. So we end up with 9y equals, over on the right side, a negative 14 and a positive 23. Signs are different. Find the difference, which is 9. Keep the sign of the bigger number, which is 23, so positive. Now we'll divide both sides by 9. Y equals 1. Number 23. 6x plus 8x minus 27 minus 2x plus 18 equals negative 81. Okay, lots of like terms here. So we've got a 6x, an 8x, and a negative 2x. We've also got a negative 27 and a positive 18. All right, so 6x and 8x is 14x minus 2 is 12x. And then negative 27 and positive 18, this is, signs are different, so find the difference. Keep the sign of the bigger one. So it's a minus 9 equals negative 81. Let's add 9 on both sides. We end up with 12x equals, again, signs are different. Find the difference. And then keep the sign of the bigger one. So this is going to be negative 72. Divide both sides by 12. X equals negative 6. Number 24. 5 times the quantity, 3x minus 4, equals 55. All right, distributive property here. So multiply everything by a 5. That's going to get us 15x minus 20 equals 55. Then we'll add 20 on both sides. 15x equals 75. Divide by 15. X equals 5. Number 25. 3 times the quantity 6 minus 4z equals negative 114. Distribute the 3. That's going to get us 18 minus 12z equals negative 114. Here's my equal sign. Okay, my z is being multiplied by a negative 12, and then there's a plus 18. So we need a minus 18 on both sides. That leaves me with negative 12z. And I'm going to do the sum because the signs are the same. So let's see, 232. So negative 232. And we're going to divide by negative 12. Oh, wait, it's negative 132. Negative 132. Divided by negative 12. So z equals 11. Last one, number 26. 3 times the quantity 2b minus 7 equal, oh, wait, minus. Oh, of course, this is a nice big long one, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit it. Minus 7 minus the quantity 5b minus 8 equals negative 15. Okay, we're going to distribute the 3 to the first set of parentheses. That's going to get me 6b minus 21. And then this minus needs to also be distributed to the parentheses. So it's going to end up being minus 5b plus 8. All right, I skipped a little bit more steps here than I normally would. Hopefully you guys can follow along by now. Like terms on the left side of my equal sign, I've got b's, I've also got constants. So I have a 6b minus 5b, that's 1b. I'll just write b. Then I've got a negative 21 and a positive 8. Signs are different. Find the difference. Keep the sign of the bigger one, which is going to be negative 13, and that equals negative 15. So add 13 on both sides. So we end up with b equals negative 2. Okay, first half done.